Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you 17 tiny habits that can transform your financial life and overall well-being. These are simple, actionable steps that anyone can implement, and trust me, they can lead to significant changes over time. We're talking about building wealth, achieving financial freedom, and just feeling more in control of your money. So, let's dive right in. This first habit is all about shifting your mindset from being a consumer to a creator. Instead of spending hours watching Netflix or endlessly scrolling through Instagram, think about what you can create and contribute to the world. It could be anything from starting a YouTube channel or a blog to writing that novel you've always dreamed of, or even just learning a new skill online. The point is to actively engage your mind and produce something of value. Start small. Aim for just 15 minutes a day, even if it's just brainstorming ideas or practicing a skill. You'll be surprised how much you can accomplish with consistent effort. So, ditch the passive consumption and start creating. You've probably heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. The people you surround yourself with have a huge impact on your mindset, your habits, and ultimately, your success. If you're constantly around negative people who complain about money, chances are you'll adopt those same negative beliefs. Seek out inspiration from other sources. Listen to podcasts featuring successful entrepreneurs, read biographies of people you admire, or join online communities of like-minded individuals. The key is to expose yourself to positive influences that will uplift and motivate you on your journey to financial success. We all face setbacks and moments of self-doubt on the road to achieving our goals. That's why it's crucial to have a system in place to remind yourself of your capabilities and past successes. This is where your I can do this file comes in. Every time you overcome a challenge, achieve a milestone, or receive positive feedback, write it down in this file. When you're feeling down or doubting your abilities, you can revisit this file and remind yourself of what you're capable of. Gratitude is a game changer when it comes to your overall well-being, including your finances. When you focus on what you're grateful for, it shifts your perspective from a place of lack to a place of abundance. An easy way to cultivate gratitude is to start a gratitude journal. Every evening, take a few minutes to reflect on your day and write down 3 things you're grateful for. The key is to train your mind to focus on the positive aspects of your life. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to build wealth is to make saving and investing automatic. Automating your savings takes the decision-making out of the equation. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts every time you get paid. Treat these transfers like non-negotiable expenses. Start small. Even if it's just $20 or $50 per paycheck, the key is to build the habit and gradually increase the amount as your income grows. The money comes out of your account before you even have a chance to spend it, making it much easier to reach your financial goals. Having vague financial goals like I want to save more money is like setting out on a road trip without a destination in mind. To achieve your financial goals, you need to get specific. Set a concrete target, like saving $30,000 for a down payment by December 31st, 2027. This clarity helps break down big goals into manageable steps and keeps you motivated. You can't manage what you don't track. Know where your money is going. Conduct a full spending audit. Gather bank statements and categorize transactions, essentials, lifestyle choices, and investments. Analyze and adjust to reach your financial goals. Personal finance is not something they teach you in school, which is a shame because it's one of the most important skills you'll ever need in life. The good news is that you don't need a formal education to become financially literate. Dedicate just 1 hour per week to learning something new about personal finance. Read a book, listen to a podcast, or watch a YouTube video. Even have a conversation with someone knowledgeable about money. Make continuous learning a habit. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. One of the biggest obstacles to achieving your goals, financial or otherwise, is the fear of what others will think. We worry about being judged, criticized, or even ridiculed for our choices, especially when those choices go against the grain. But here's the thing. Most people are too wrapped up in their own lives to care about what you're doing. And even if they do have an opinion, it's usually a reflection of their own insecurities and limitations, not yours. Focus on your own goals and aspirations, and don't let the opinions of others derail you from your path. Remember, the only opinion that truly matters is your own. We've all been there. Someone asks you to do something, volunteer for a project, attend an event, donate to a cause, and even though you're already stretched thin, you find yourself saying yes. Every time you say yes to something that doesn't align with your goals or priorities, you're essentially saying no to something that does. Understanding the yes trap is crucial to protecting your time, energy, and ultimately, your financial well-being. The next time someone asks you for something, pause before automatically saying yes. Ask yourself, does this align with my goals? Do I have the time and energy for this? If the answer is no, it's perfectly okay to politely decline. The best investment you can ever make is in yourself. Invest in your education, skills, health, and personal growth. Knowledge is power. Invest in books, online courses, and workshops. Your health is your wealth. Exercise, eat well, and sleep enough. Invest in experiences that challenge and grow you. Relying on a single source of income is risky. If you lose your job or your business takes a downturn, you're left with no financial safety net. That's why it's essential to diversify your income streams. This means creating multiple sources of income, so you're not overly reliant on any one source. Start by identifying your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you have a few ideas, brainstorm ways to monetize those skills. The key is to start small and gradually build up your income streams over time. Focus on one income stream at a time, and once it's generating consistent income, move on to the next one. We make countless decisions every day, from what to wear to what to eat. Simplifying decisions can reduce mental fatigue. Create routines or systems to save mental energy. For example, a capsule wardrobe simplifies clothing choices. Free up mental bandwidth for important decisions. Networking is not about attending every industry event, collecting business cards, and trying to sell yourself to anyone who will listen. It's about building genuine, mutually beneficial relationships with people who share your values and interests. When you network with intent, you focus on adding value to the other person's life without expecting anything in return. This approach not only makes you more memorable and likable, but it also creates a foundation for a genuine relationship that could lead to unexpected opportunities down the road. Remember, networking is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on quality over quantity and nurture the relationships that matter most. One of the biggest regrets people have in life is not taking action on their dreams and goals. We wait for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect circumstances. But the truth is, there's no such thing as perfect. If you wait until you feel 100% ready, you'll be waiting forever. The key is to take action before you feel ready. This doesn't mean jumping into things blindly without any planning or preparation. It means taking that first step, even if it's a small one, and trusting that you'll figure things out along the way. The more you take action, the more confident and capable you become. Talking about money can be taboo, but it doesn't have to be. In fact, having open and honest conversations about finances with friends, family, and even colleagues can be incredibly beneficial. When you share your financial goals, challenges, and strategies with others, you open yourself up to new perspectives, ideas, and support. Start by asking your friends and family about their financial habits and goals. What are they doing that's working well? What challenges are they facing? What advice would they give their younger selves about money? These communities provide a safe and supportive space to ask questions, share experiences, and learn from others who are on a similar path. When it comes to achieving your goals, consistency trumps intensity every single time. It's not about making drastic, unsustainable changes overnight. It's about making small, incremental improvements consistently over time. This is where the 1% progress rule comes in. The idea is simple. Focus on getting 1% better each day, or each week, or each month, depending on your goal. These small improvements might seem insignificant in the moment, but they compound over time, just like interest. The key is to focus on making progress no matter how small. There you have it, 17 tiny habits that can change your life forever. Start implementing these habits today and watch how they transform your financial situation and overall well-being. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you